Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where beautiful design meets everyday living. Today we're exploring Gwyneth Paltrow's serene white kitchen style, that gorgeous blend of marble elegance and golden warmth that makes spaces feel both luxurious and livable. Get ready to discover how minimalist design can create maximum peace in your home. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where every surface whispers tranquility. The marble gleams softly under natural light, while golden touches add just enough warmth to make you feel instantly at home. It's that perfect balance between luxurious and livable, where mornings feel a little more peaceful and cooking becomes pure joy. There's something magical about a space that feels both elevated and effortless. Picture crisp white cabinetry reaching skyward, marble veining that tells its own story, and those delicate brass details catching sunlight throughout the day. This kitchen invites you to linger over coffee, to savor quiet moments, to create memories in a setting that feels timeless. This kitchen embraces you with its serene simplicity. Clean lines meet natural materials in the most elegant way, where white marble flows seamlessly across countertops and golden hardware adds subtle sparkle. It's designed for those who appreciate beauty in restraint, where every element serves a purpose and nothing feels excessive or out of place. Gather around a table that's seen countless conversations and shared meals. The dining space flows naturally from the kitchen, bathed in that same gentle light that makes everything feel softer. Brass accents overhead cast a warm glow, while bleached oak underfoot grounds the room in earthy comfort. It's where simplicity meets sophistication beautifully. Sink into comfort in a living room that truly understands relaxation. Creamy textures layer upon each other, marble surfaces reflect ambient light, and those golden details add just the right amount of glamour. The fireplace becomes a focal point without demanding attention, while built-ins offer storage that disappears into the pristine walls. It's understated luxury at its finest. Your workspace deserves the same serenity as the rest of your home. This office wraps you in calm white tones, with marble providing a smooth surface for focused work and brass accents adding inspiring warmth. Natural light floods through windows, making hours at the desk feel less like work and more like peaceful productivity in your personal sanctuary. Retreat to a bedroom where rest comes naturally. Soft linens in ivory hues, marble nightstands with golden touches, and that beautiful simplicity that clears your mind before sleep. There's no clutter here, just thoughtful design that prioritizes your comfort. Wake up refreshed in a space that feels like a five-star hotel suite tailored perfectly to you. Step into a dressing room that makes getting ready feel luxurious every single day. Pristine white cabinetry hides everything beautifully, while marble surfaces provide elegant landing spots for jewelry and accessories. Those brass knobs add personality without overwhelming the peaceful palette. Organization has never looked so sophisticated or felt so effortless in your morning routine. Create your own library escape, where books become beautiful architecture. White shelving stretches floor to ceiling, displaying treasured volumes alongside carefully chosen ceramics. A cozy reading chair beckons near the window, with marble and brass accents maintaining that cohesive aesthetic throughout. It's your personal literary haven where afternoon reading sessions become cherished rituals you look forward to daily. Welcome sunshine into a room designed for basking in natural light. This sunroom bridges indoor comfort with outdoor beauty, where white surfaces amplify the brightness and marble grounds the space in elegance. Potted greenery brings life indoors while maintaining that minimalist sensibility. It's your morning coffee spot, your afternoon reading nook, your anytime peaceful escape from busy days. Breakfast tastes better in a cozy nook flooded with morning sun. This intimate corner features a marble table perfect for two, surrounded by comfortable seating that encourages lingering over meals. Brass pendant lighting adds warmth overhead, while windows frame garden views beautifully. It's where everyday breakfasts feel special and weekend brunches become treasured family traditions effortlessly. Behind the scenes, your butler's pantry works as hard as it looks beautiful. White cabinetry with glass fronts displays coordinated dishware like art, while marble counters provide prep space for entertaining. Golden fixtures maintain visual continuity with the main kitchen. It's functional elegance that makes hosting dinner parties smoother, keeping everything organized yet easily accessible when guests arrive. Blur the lines between indoors and out in this peaceful garden room. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite nature inside, while comfortable seating maintains that luxurious white aesthetic you love. Marble coffee tables and brass accents carry through seamlessly, creating visual flow throughout your home. It's where you'll spend summer evenings watching the garden glow in golden hour light. Extend your living space into the fresh air with a covered patio that feels like an outdoor living room. White architectural details frame views of your landscaped yard, while marble surfaces and brass fixtures maintain interior elegance outside. It's perfect for morning meditation, afternoon reading, or evening gatherings where conversation flows as freely as the gentle breeze through surrounding trees. There you have it, timeless white surfaces, marble serenity, and those warm golden accents that make everything feel special. This aesthetic proves that simplicity never goes out of style. If you loved these design ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more beautiful kitchen inspiration, and tell us in the comments which space inspired you most.